Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls all over the world, welcome to the show. How's everyone doing today? I'm ready to make some progress on this game. I know we did a lot last week, but I got some ideas. I've been thinking about a couple things. Let's first get all right. So let's see our to-do list. We got the round manager to work, so it's done, right? We made rounds, it's done. Bugs, I think we fixed them all. UI, we did that. Rollout, we did that. Playtest, and then tweak gameplay. Okay, so let's go up to some of the bugs. Spawn areas need to be updated for bigger arena size. That's done. Redo enemy paths. That's done. Change title screen. That's done. That enemy shot will despawn immediately. That's fixed. Okay. Did this. This I think is fine. Okay, cool. So, sorry, I was sitting kind of funky. So, one thing that I noticed when I was playtesting is 15 rounds with no health regeneration is a lot. So what I'm going to do is make eating enemy gives health. And I also want to make the game a little more fast-paced, so projectile spam shoot, which this just means essentially that when instead of like you have to click each time you shoot, you can hold down and shoot. So that's the only difference there. I'm gonna go to tongue, and wherever we kill the enemy, which is so player projectile script, get component player projectile, and then you set the power up to the enemy's power up. Grabbed object, enemy health, update health. Then I want to do is a tongue script on? It's on the actual tongue and not the player itself, right? Yeah, okay. But so you just want to do, you would want to do, oh my goodness, transform dot parent dot get component Why do we have... Okay, but anyways, player health. All right. So... this is going to add whatever the remaining health is to the player. It's really simple, and probably too simple, to be honest with you. Like, I think that's going to give too much to the player, and it's either going to be 50 or 100, you know. But and 100's a lot considering the player has how much health. Yeah, so we don't actually want to do that. I think for each enemy eaten, you should get... how much damage do the enemies do? Of course, it's in the projectiles. Why wouldn't it be in the projectiles? It's smart. Default does 10. We're not going to do get current health. We're going to say... I'm actually going to do... eaten is what I'm going to call this. Then let's go ahead and save that. Go to enemy health, wherever it is. Enemy health. And then in enemy health, I'm going to make a new method called eaten. And it's going to do actually, yeah, let's return a float. Let's return some variable called like regen amount, or yeah, sure, we'll call it that. And then regen amount we're going to define up here. And we're going to define it as the health player receives when eaten. Let's be public float region amount. that works. And then this is going to be, let's do update health. Negative math f dot infinity. Cool. My cat is knocking ornaments off the Christmas tree. I can hear him. Just hear them bouncing on the floor. All right, so tongue. We're going to not do this anymore. Instead, we're just going to call this. And we're going to say give health to the player. And kill the enemy. Go back to Unity. Man, I'm about to start to stream more often. Now it's been like twice in the last 2 weeks I've streamed and it's snowed a bunch. 2 of the last 3 times I've streamed now. It's just been coming down. Gotta start streaming more often now. Alright, so let's go to characters, select all of these, not the player. Go down to enemy health. Regen amount, let's set to 20 as of right now. So be true for all 20, 20, 20, 20. Okay, cool. So now what? Let's go ahead and test it, I guess. That's what. Oh wait, hit me. Alright, let's let them hit me a bunch. Okay, yep, that visibly went up. Yeah, alright. Okay. Now let's do the rapid shooting. So we're gonna go to player projectile and okay, so shoot. So we need a public float fire rate. And this is just going to be time between shots. We'll say cooldown time. Okay. So this is going to determine how fast we can fire instead of how fast you can click the mouse button. So if you do this, then, oh, we need another variable. We need a bunch of them. Time since last shot. Private float. Timer. And just gonna fix that real quick. Then we need a let's say is cooldown active. Yeah, is cooldown active. Is cooldown done? It's not a flow, this would be a bool. Just call it can shoot. Although I thought we had something like this. Oh, is input allowed? I'm just thinking about the fact that, so if you're frozen and then, so if you hold down the button, if you hold down mouse button to shoot, and then you get frozen, so you're shooting and then you get frozen, so you stop because then input's not allowed anymore. Then as soon as input is allowed, you're going to keep shooting, right? So do we want it to be like that, or when you're frozen, do we want you to have to like unclick and then re-click? I don't know. That's gonna be a later decision. But as of right now, you just hold it indefinitely. So then this goes to can't shoot equals false. Then we want your shot timer to go down while you're frozen. Not that it really matters, but we do. So I think oh, no, we want to do if can shoot. Then yeah, throw all of this into a nice little And then here you just say else. I'll mark this as, nope. Okay. If cooldown still active. Then we want to do shot timer plus equals delta time. No. Plus equals time dot delta time. Then up here we'll do check if cooldown is over, and if so, update can shoot. So if the shot timer is greater than what is it called? Fire rate. Of course. It makes sense, but just like nothing else is called anything like that. Then can shoot equals true, and shot timer equals 0. Okay. Let's see what undesired side effects this one has. I feel like it is still snowing, but it's too dark now for me to see if it actually is or not. Let's go ahead and play, test this out. Yeah, so that's with 0. So let's go back, let's go here, and don't like our game. Why are they all still alive? How long do these last? These not have a lifetime? Maybe not. That's concerning. Okay, so let's do 0.1. That might be honestly what needs to happen. Bro, where are these? Interesting. Okay, so that's only slightly problematic that there's just an enormous buildup of those. Projectile. So if it's not a bomb. Wait, so if other is not... Oh, the immune. Yeah. I need to change this. I've been confused by this so many times. that this comedy just needs to be better. Okay. So if it's dealing damage to an enemy, then do that. Otherwise, destroy the object. Actually, so all these effects, right, are getting those are enemies, projectiles. All of these projectiles have the projectile script on them, right? And PS is bullet effect for all of them. No, not all of them. We should be able to put on all of these effects, though. Like, we should be destroying them, correct? Okay, so let's see. Bullet impact, freeze, bullet impact, poison, bullet impact, default. This one right here. So let's add a component and let's call this particle effect. Now, all I want this particle effect script to do, where's particle effect? Okay. Okay. So all I want particle effect to do is we're gonna do a private particle system. And then, I'll call it particle system PS. Then PS is going to equal none of these things are get component particle system. No, I don't want particle effect. Oh my gosh, bro. I literally started typing particle system. What? I'm going to lose my mind. I think it's main dot lifetime. I have to do this, and I have to. I don't know. Reopen it or something because it's just it just triggers me just a little bit. It's just a little bit annoying. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, sure. I'm sure it is expected. It's not even like. that better? Does that give you less of an error? Oh my gosh, bro. Just don't even bother. Why does this not even work at all? Like, this one's fine. No, it's not fine. No, none of them are doing the things. All right, whatever. I'll just look at the docs because this is not helping at all. It's being really annoying, actually. Okay, so we have particle system, main is what we want, and then duration or there's gotta be like a honestly on second thought, there's gotta be a setting in there. All right, actually, okay, so we're just gonna do where's particle effect? Here it is. So this is gonna be particle system dot duration. And then we're gonna have private float timer. Then timer plus equals time. Why? Why would you say that? When it does this, it just makes me so mad. When timer is greater than lifetime, destroy the game object. Now let's see what Unity's error Errors Unity has developed because this thing doesn't know how to register the fact that it's in Unity. Particle custom dot duration is obsolete. Duration property is deprecated. Use main dot duration instead. Is that not what I did? Like, I definitely had that at some point. All right, whatever. Whatever, man. I was right there. I was right there. It's pretty close. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, done. Perfect. Excellent. And we just have to remember to set this to 0.1. So can we like apply all? And now see, now this game has just become really, really easy though. So that's why I kind of want to make the player a little bit faster. And then make all the enemies faster. So just double all the enemy speed. We'll see how that goes. I like this a lot better. That's so much better. Oh gosh. Oh. Yeah, yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. So this is good. This is good. Oh, oh. Oh, so now we're frozen. We're frozen. Oh, okay. Definitely a little more fast paced now. My mouse has ceased to work, but all right. I want to do something for just for the purpose of testing. I want to add them to the enemies so I know where they're going. Let's do debug dot. Yeah, see, like that's the problem. All right, so the starting point is going to be but it's not target dot position. It's going to be and I think it's see I all right, I'm closing this and I'm reopening it because it's just awful, just incredibly terrible. Is it doing anything? It doesn't say it's doing anything. Let me. Oh. I don't know what happened, but hopefully that guys didn't like blank out for you guys. Hopefully this update will make it so it's not so bad. Alright, it's almost done installing. I cannot stand when it's does not like autofill for Unity. Like I'm sorry, but I need autocomplete for Unity. There's too many things that I can't like. It's not just like basic programming. It's not like I don't know the function for like I don't know the like length function for a list or something. Like these are just things that are terribly, terribly inconvenient. So hopefully this will work. Wait, did I hear correctly though that JetBrains released a community edition for all of their for all of their IDEs? Because if that's true, that would be spicy. free for non-commercial use. I would consider my use to be non-commercial. Currently not making any money for it. How do you... Yeah, we're definitely downloading right here. But, non-commercial use agreement. What does it say? So, honestly, in my personal opinion, I think that JetBrains is really, really good. I've also heard that it compiles way faster than like VS Studio, like Visual Studio or VS Code. But I do not actually know any. I don't actually know if that's factual, but I have heard so before. Let's see, customer or you. Okay. Each product is provided to the customer on a per user basis, where customer may deploy product on multiple machines with accordance to the product implementation. You may. But what does non-commercial use mean? Like, when does it become commercial? Oh, maybe it said so in the definitions that I didn't read. Oh, that's really... Oh, commercial use means any use of product to develop commercial products. Products distributed or made available for a fee, or used as part of the customer's business activity, or to provide paid services. So, technically, I don't think you can use JetBrains. If I were to ever like sell this game for money, then I could be fined. But also, that is assuming that I make it. That is assuming that I make money off of it, and that is also assuming that that somebody ever cares to check. You know. I don't really care what's new with the release. I just want the... Alright, it's preparing the solution. Is it better at all? It looks like it might be better. I don't really care about that. Yes, it is better. Thank goodness. Thank goodness. Enemy movement is right here. Yes, there's areas here and here. Okay. Yeah. So technically, I don't think I'm allowed to use it. Technically. I'm looking at Reddit because Reddit is very obviously super reliable, and whatever they say is legally binding. Wait, what is a subscription for JetBrains? I thought it was like really expensive, but I might be thinking of the like the full package. Oh, yeah, no, it's $149 a year. Ah, it does go down to $89 after 3 years. Yeah, monthly billing is $14. So 150 is what? Isn't that like $14? No. Oh, it's just over $12 because $12 is 144. Yeah, I was doing my math terribly wrong. So it's $12 a month, which is really not bad at all. To be completely honest. And it goes down to under $10 after the second year, after the first year, and then after the second year, it goes down to $90 a year, which is like not even $8 a month. Pretty good. Pretty good, honestly. But yeah, I think I was thinking the whole. What if you do? I don't know. Okay. Interesting. I thought it was way more than that. I thought it was like, I don't know. I wanted to say I thought it was like $150 a month, but that would be kind of absurd, wouldn't it be? I just remember it was really nice to have in college for free. Oh well, womp womp. But anyways, this is working now, so we're gonna use this. We'll keep using this. So for velocity, we just want to do. What do you mean? Can I turn a vector 2 into a vector 3? Wait, you can just do dot vector 3 at the end? Bro, what do you mean? Vector 2 is not going to do definition for vector 3. I think you're mistaken because right here it says vector 2 dot vector 3. Interesting. Oh, you can set it equal to vector 3. So yeah, it does not actually do that. That does not work. But also, can we do a new? Vector 3 and do this? Doesn't like that one either. Ugh. Oh well. Okay. Now this should work. What an excursion that was. That took way longer than it should have, but oh well. It is what it is. I'm not really too pressed about it. Not really too pressed about it. I mean, it's good. They all move pretty randomly. And I mean, for the majority of... Like, for the most part, they avoid everything. Why is there 11 enemies remaining? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There is 11 for some reason. I don't know why. Why are there 11? Yeah, that's actually very confusing to me. I don't know why there would be 11. Let's see. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Huh. It's probably a math thing. It's probably like a one-off error. Let's open her up. We're just really just gonna open every single one we got, every single script. So where is it checking? Why? Because it checks if it's greater to it. So it hits it and it doesn't do it. So just 2 greater than or equal to. And there you go. It's done. Easy. Easy money. Easy money. Okay. And yeah, I'm not really too concerned about it, but just like, it's nice to know that if something gets stuck somewhere, that I can figure out where it, like why it's there. Let's, you know what I think I might do? Maybe not, maybe not. Oh, today is Wednesday, isn't it? Isn't today Wednesday? Maybe not, maybe not. Okay. What else should we do? So we did that. I want to go ahead and save this, and I'm actually going to build it. Build settings. Just go ahead and build it. It's going to be new folder. Version 0.8.1. Okay. So that's building. I can't do anything while it's building. All right. Well, let's open up. I did not want to open up the terminal. I wanted to open up this. And I don't like the fact that it's doing this. I think just because it's at the game, but I don't know. That's kind of scary. All right. So we did this. We did this. Okay. Update 0.8.1. And increased player and enemy speed. Can now hold right click to fire. Instead of clicking. And eating enemies now heals you. Okay. I think I also want to make boosts. So like a speed boost. Okay, but see, this is the thing is if an enemy gets if you get a bomb now, you're cooking. You're just like you could just spam bombs. Which is fine, but we just have to dramatically increase the number of spawns there are now. If that's the case. And they should also be coming from a larger region so that way you can't just, you know, like shoot this way. And instead you have to shoot like this way, you know? Like full 360 shooting. Because, I mean, bombs at that fire rate just obliterates everything, you know? We can test it out a little bit here, but I think boosts are going to be good. I think maybe a speed boost. I don't really think we can do any faster shooting, to be honest. But speed would be good. Let's do like a big health recovery as opposed to like just the standard one. We could do attack boost, so it's one hit. It's the one hit KO instead of 2 hits. These probably should be different bugs, but that's a whole other process, man. I do the art for that, and it's just, ugh. Now we're talking a lot of work. Well, I guess let's go ahead and play it. Let's try and get through the whole thing. See if we can get through the whole thing. Might as well, right? No reason not to. And yeah, we're just playtesting the arena right now. I'm not too focused on the arcade style. They do just get to this point where they're like stuck sometimes. Yeah, like what's going on with that one? Because he's tweaking. He's tweaking hard, bro. Like this one right here. He is doing the tweak right now. Yeah, because he is completely split. What? Interesting. Yeah, like look at it. It is tweaking hard. Where is it at in the grand scheme of things? I don't think it's trying to go to me, but it could be. Where are the? Oh, enemy path is right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Interesting. And he's here. Supposedly following these points. But if I let him be, he's just gonna tweak like that forever. For no apparent reason, honestly. Okay. Interesting. I mean, this game is pretty easy just with this. Like, whoa, ew, come out of nowhere. Oh gosh, I'm frozen. Oh my gosh, I died. Okay. We need a little bit better log. Okay, first of all, let me see what logs we're getting. Because it's over here. I want to take all of these out, honestly. Okay. Okay, now an enemy movement. Check ahead. Cast a circle to see if there's an object in any way. Does this circle cast distance away? This is the size. This is the size. Just do like this. Turns a Boolean. And for each object, distance. So for each object equals hit game object, right? And then it's doing so if this isn't a game object. Oh, if it's not, if it's not hitting itself, or if this object isn't itself and this object isn't null, then distance to obstacle equals vector 3 dot distance transform position. So it's distance between this and the object, right? There's something wrong with this, and I don't know exactly what it is. I do not know exactly what it is. They all go in this little circle. Am I... Maybe it's because I changed the positions of the actual objects and not the prefabs. They're still majorly tripping. So, like, now they're doing okay, for the most part. I mean, this guy is very much stuck, but... just trying to, like, analyze, you know? Analyzing their movement. But it is strange that they're not... Yeah, I think I want to try this. Bro, what you mean? 302? Ah. And then I'm going to go to rounds, turn this off. And then I'm just going to drop one enemy in there. We're going to see what it's going to do. Interesting. Huh. I wonder if there is any correlation between, but it's this spot, like it's the same spot every time, right? So obviously there, and then starts tweaking. What is this? Oh, controls tax turned off. Is it at -13? Yeah, it is. Okay, so it's at the right spot. And what's the margin for these guys? What's their margin of error? 0.1. Let's do a half. Why not a half? You know? Why not? Why not? I don't know if a half will do it, but why not? Sees the wall, goes here. It's still going in this little that thing though. Let's see. So this, if I go here and select this, that exists there. Where does this exist? Okay, well let me yeah, I don't think it matters like that these actually are there at all. I don't think that even don't think it matters at all. Let's copy the component, go here, paste the component values, go here, copy, paste values, here, copy, here, paste values. Okay, now let's see if I turn this back on. So let me turn this off. Now let's see. Is there something wrong? What? Oh, that's fine. That would make sense. Okay, so yeah, some of them are stuck there a little bit, but what if we picked, instead of going to the next point, what if we say current position equals random dot I don't know how this one works. Yeah, there we go. That range. Random float within, or could we do int? It's a float. It's a float. Okay, so they're inclusive. So we'll just do 0f to okay, hold on. I have to think about this. So the range is going to go from so 0 up goes to 0, then 1 up goes to 1, then 2 up goes to that, so forth, until you get to count. And count. So then count would be equal to count, right? Right? Because anything between 0 and under, anything greater than 0 and under 1 is going to be floored to 0. Anything less than 2 is floored to 1. Anything less than 3 is floored to 2. If you set your max as your count, then count is going to be floored to count. But anything less than count is going to be floored to 1 under count. So I think all we do is points that count. Wait, how do you... Bruh. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm just... Like, I'm going too far off the deep end now. Unity... Random int. Oh, it works both ways. Oh, that's so silly. Oh. It works with int and float. That's crazy. Okay. Then we don't have to do that. And here, max is exclusive. So that's good. Okay, so this is going to get a random point. And then current point is going to equal points, current position, blah, 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 blah. Save this, go back to Unity. And let's see what type of action this brings along. Also, it adds this and subtracts the buffer distance. Let's do public float obstacle influence. And then this is just going to be multiplier for how object moves from obstacles. All right. Also, I'm going to get rid of all this because it's just not really necessary. Oh, obstacle influence is right here. And then there's a ratio between the circle cast distance minus the distance to the obstacle. So if you're casting the circle... Oh, because it's saying how far are you casting it out? And then it's saying based on how far you're casting it out, multiply this by more. Okay, so this is actually not necessary at all. It's already in there. Okay. Oh, wait. What do we have it at right now? I feel like it's really high right now. Yeah. No, why would you say that? It's not really high. So here's the thing. The obstacle influence is the first thing we add. I've lost track of where I'm going. Here. So we add it first, which means it's the least influential thing out of all the other ones, right? I mean, you can say, yeah, but we're multiplying it by 1,000. But yeah, but then here, like we're normalizing it here. So, I mean, if we added it here, then we'd be talking. So I kind of think if we move this here, and take this and just yeet that out of there and put that in here. Oh, wait, no. Oh, wait, no. Sorry. I didn't even do that. Yeet this out of here and put it in here. Then we don't need it in here or in here. And I guarantee you we're going to see a huge, huge difference in how it moves. I don't know why that's something I've never really thought about before, but obviously if you have it being the first thing to which we then add other stuff to and then normalize and then add other stuff to, it just really gets much more, it like implicitly gets less prioritized, even though we're multiplying it by 6 billion or whatever. Also, are we still normalizing it? Yes, we still normalize it and then multiply by speed. Okay, I just want to make sure that I wasn't going to be multiplying it by 1 billion and then doing the thing. Oh, also, this is not accurate. That's not right. We should be doing this. And yes. Okay, we get the right one here. Okay. But yeah, we're still normalizing after, so that's good. It's good. That's what we want to be doing. We do not want to put it out there and to just have 6,000 speed. Okay, why is it getting stuck here? Okay, let me try something. What the heck is this thing doing? let's try that again, because I really don't know what just happened. Like, not even close. Oh, okay. So yeah, we're gonna go. So that's here. Just gonna lower this. Yeah, it's not detecting anything. It just completely lost its way. I don't know where it's going. It's to this point, I guess. Like, what the heck? What point was that it's going to? Negative 56.82 or 92. So it should be going here. I don't know why it's not, but it should be. And that position is what, 235? So it's in point movement, right? So it's doing this. So this thing, if there's something up, then check if there's something right. If there's something right, then go left. Or if there's yeah. Wait, no. Yeah, isn't this saying check if there's something up? If there is, then check if there's something left. If there is, then it should be go right. And if there... else, if there's something... Bro, what the heck? If there's something left... Okay, so if there's something up, then check if there's anything to the right. Or check if there's anything to the left. If there is something to the left, oh, then... if an obstacle up check left. If an obstacle left check right. no obstacle right. So move that way. Okay, so if there's an obstacle up, then you say, okay, I can't go this way. So let's check left. So if there's an obstacle left, then you want to check right. If there's an obstacle right, then okay. Oof. Okay. Okay. So if you can't go up, then check left. If you can't go left, then check right. If you can go right, then go that way. Otherwise, oh wait, hold on. I don't know why this is so confusing. Okay, so if there's an obstacle up, then check left. If there's an obstacle left, then check right. If there's an obstacle right, then check down. If there's an obstacle down, then you're screwed. But otherwise, if there's no obstacle down, then do else. Let's say no open space. Do nothing. There's definitely a better way to do this too. It shouldn't just be a yes or a no. It should be how far away is this thing? Okay. Wherever the closest thing is. But okay. So if you check all four of them and they all have an obstacle, there's no open space, do nothing. If you check these three and this one has this one doesn't have an obstacle, then move that way. And then just do this for all of them. And delete this. Yeah. I don't really need that extra space there. So no obstacle down, so move that way. And this is no obstacle right, so move that way. This is no obstacle left, so we're gonna move that way. And this is no obstacle up, so we're gonna move that way. Then here we're gonna just debug.log. Actually, yeah, let's do debug.log obstacle rerouting down. No E's and down. No E's and down. Whew. Okay. Do this. And this should be, oh, that is down. That's the first one I did. Right. Left. Okay, there we go. Now, let's see if this changes anything at all. Well, camera's blurry, but it's all right. We're gonna test this out and then end the stream, so not too pressed about it. Which way is up for this guy? Up is this way. He does not appear to be rerouting up. He does not appear to be rerouting up. What is this man doing? What's why is he moving? Why is he moving this way? He made it. I don't know how he made it. What? All right, guys. This is a tomorrow problem. Also, he just keeps bouncing back and forth between two of them. Oh, there we go. He made it to another one. Okay. I don't, guys. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not quite sure. I'm not quite sure what just happened there. Holy Christmas. Okay, well. Yeah, gotta love Boyd movement. Gotta love Boyd movement. But all right, guys. I'm gonna head out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream today. Got a couple things done. I think this is probably our next pain point, is figuring out the enemy movement, getting it to be a little bit better, not quite as glitchy where they're, spinning in circles, doing the bee dance or whatever the heck they're doing. But yeah, come back on Monday. I'll be here 5 o'clock Eastern time, and see you guys later.